What's good, OBOH Gaming? In this video, I'll be telling you some games or websites that you can get paid for just to simply play games. So if you're new to my game development college course, go ahead and give the video a like. If you start enjoying it even more, then all I ask you to do is subscribe. You know what I mean? This is a free college course that you can simply subscribe to be a part of. Also turn on your post notifications to be alerted for any new videos. So in the background you see Apex Legends. This is a free to play game, you know what I mean, on Xbox One, PS4. I know plenty of you might know about it. If you don't know what game this is, it's basically like Fortnite. If you don't know about Fortnite, then you probably aren't a game developer or somebody that plays games. But you can still take advantage of playing games in your free time and get paid for it. So what I can first suggest, before you go with the route of doing videos or doing what I'm doing, recording gameplay, this requires you to have equipment such as an Elgato, a high RAM computer, laptop, etc., monitor, console, etc. There's also options that you can gain revenue for and then invest into that. So first, the website that I'll give you is Swagbucks. It's more than just like a simple platform for you to play games. You can also get paid just by watching videos on there. Like you watch videos on YouTube right now, you can watch videos on there. There's also the take survey option. I know a lot of people don't like. Look at this. Had to hit him outside with the smoke grenade. Dude was drunk, running up on me well, he didn't run up on me. He was trying to run up on my teammate. Same thing, we the same team. But anyway, like I was saying, man. You get paid to take surveys, watch videos, or just simply just searching on the web. So if you use Google, Chrome, Bing, Safari, you know what I mean, stop that and download Swagbucks. You can download it on the computer, you can download it on your phone. You might as well get paid to do anything that you're already doing, you know what I mean. Now they'll pay you up to $8, $18, you know what I mean. And you can buy games on there, but they have free games to play as well. So you can get gift cards in exchange for any work that you do on there. Because basically it's gonna be ad revenue that they're gonna be receiving. You can get gift cards or whatever, or you can get paid via PayPal. So that's one option, you know what I mean. Next, and I'm fast forwarding this because there's no engagements. I usually like showing me either getting kills or like fighting people, you know what I mean, like just showing the interest and stuff. So I'm just gonna fast forward this so you don't have to wait, you know what I mean. But next option would be InboxDollars. So Inbox, INBOX dollars, you know what I mean. So it's the same thing as the other one. You just you're playing games online and you get rewarded by being paid, you know what I mean. You can get $5 if you sign up, you know what I mean. You get $5 by simply just signing up. And then you get paid after you get $40, you know what I mean. So, you know what I mean, they can't just be sending out checks in the mail or wasting their time trying to PayPal you, you know what I mean. You got to get up to $40, so expect to play a few games, you know what I mean. And the reason why all these are important, bro, this is a game development college course. In game development, when people do develop games, they need somebody to play them, you know what I mean. If you let's say you develop a game today, who's gonna play your game? You know what I mean. Your friends, your family, you know what I mean. What about for the people that have large facilities, large offices? Right here, I did something smart right here. Let me point this out. When you playing games like this, Apex, take advantage of all the things they have to offer. For instance, they have a jump tower, which allows me to ride up, go into the air, and fly away to avoid taking damage in a storm. The rest of my teammates kept running, so they ended up having to get in a gunfight. If you look down right here, my teammate is doing a zip line. He's crossing right by another enemy. I pointed them out so my teammate could see him. So I'm saying all that to say, features like that didn't just come out the blue overnight, you know what I mean. What happened was a lot of people got together, brainstorm ideas, and over time they developed certain things, you know what I mean. So the simple thing of the call out, pinging, all that, what you're seeing on this game on your screen is literally thousands of dollars thousands of people working on the game, hours in and out to develop this game, and then they released it for it to be free to play. And then they generate ad revenue, sponsorships, etc., via that. You know what I mean? Every time somebody plays the game, they get paid. So understand that if you play games that's already been developed, just going to the right place to play them, you know what I mean, then you can get paid as well. So far I gave you Swagbucks, InboxDollars. I've already known about Swagbucks before I even did this video. The third one is another option, MistPlay. You know what I mean, it's basically an app. So if you have an iPhone, Android, or whatever, just download MistPlay. You know what I mean? And then you can get gift cards like Amazon, Starbucks, etc. Me personally, I like getting paid in cash. You know what I mean? So just make sure you get something that when you do cash out, make sure you get something that you can use that money for. You know what I mean? And then also the good thing about that app is that you can chat with other gamers online. You know what I mean? So if you don't have a headset, you know what I mean, a lot of people, if you don't have online, a lot of y'all, some of y'all might have online. Like me, I'm playing online. Some of y'all don't pay the $60 a year to play Xbox One. There's nothing wrong with that. Xbox 360. With MistPlay, you don't even need that. You know what I mean? You already get online and you can still chat with people. So look that up, try that out. You know what I mean? Understand that all these options, they're game development apps or games, you know what I mean, which means that there's actual game developers that's in college or aspiring people that want to develop games like Apex Legends. They have to prove themselves. So don't expect this to be just the greatest game you ever seen. Just view it as some way to earn revenue while you're playing. Now I'm gonna be making more videos, you know what I mean. You see me making this video if you want to do stuff like what I'm doing, or if you enjoy playing games like Apex Legends. There's going to be more videos like this, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. I'm going to have more things coming out soon, you know what I mean. Also, I just want to point this out. When I jumped over this wall, I was expecting him to stay on this building. So when he shoots me, don't think I'm sorry, you know what I mean. I killed him, but I wasn't expecting to get shot. That ended up hurting me in the future with that one shot, you know what I mean. But I'll speak on that later in the video. Getting shot by a whole lot of people. But the next option I'm gonna give you is Luck, like Lucktastic, Tastic. Link in the description to all of these. But this is a simple one. This is something you can do every single day you wake up in the morning or before you go to sleep. It's basically a scratch off, you know what I mean. Like people go to the gas station and buy scratch offs to win the lottery. This is a scratch card app that you can download on your phone or Android, which is the same thing, except you actually get paid even if you do not win. Listen to me, you get paid even if you do not win. You know what I mean? So take advantage of these, you know what I mean? There's a reason why these apps are coming out and people are getting paid for it. It's just not too many people know about it. So peep the free game that I'm giving you. Go download these apps, games. Go play online with some people and actually get paid. Right here, I seen them people up there on the hill. I tried to wait for my teammates. That's why I went to the right. I was hoping I could go around this rock, but I didn't want to risk going into the storm. I do have gold armor, which is like the highest tier armor. But ooh, look at that aim. And it's horrendous. You know what I mean? But alright, the fifth option that I give you to earn money playing the game, you know what I mean, is long game. So basically, you basically earn coins when you play games, you know what I mean, and all this money is saved in an FDIC insured saving account. This isn't some way that you can get finessed, you know what I mean. You have an FDIC savings account that's insured, which means that even if they don't want to give you your money, you could sue them and get your money. I mean, there's no way they can finesse you possible. It's FDIC insured, so you can save the game, you know what I mean. There's also drawings for cash. I got that kill, but watch this. This is how I got finessed. I told you them shots that I got hit, my health was low, my armor was low. That shotgun left him on 3% damage, you know what I mean. My teammate ended up killing him off of one shot. I be watching the little thing, and that's another thing. Cortana be thinking I'm talking to it, the little Xbox thing that pops up, you know what I mean. But anyway, back to what I was saying, man. Long game, you can win up to $1 million. You know what I mean? It's like they enter you into drawings where you can win stuff when you earn coins for playing games, right? The amount of coins that you have is also the amount of drawings you have like like where they put straws in a hat and you pull your straws, you know what I mean? In order to have the longest straw, you just have to have the most coins. So not only can you use your coins to redeem gift cards, money, etc., etc., the more coins that you have, the higher probability that you will win the $1 million, you know what I mean? For the drawing, you know what I mean? So with all those options, you know what I mean, I gave you 5 free online options to play games either with people, play games that are easy, like just scratch offs that you can do before you go to sleep. Me personally, I'm gonna do all these, you know what I mean, and I'll make a review on all these in the future, you know what I mean. But I'm telling you, everything that I'm telling you is stuff that I'm doing already. So when I succeed, you succeed. All I ask you to do is like the video, comment anything else you want to know, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you already subscribed, turn on your post notifications. If you are doing all of that, man, then I'm here with you. Anything that you need, just let me know and I'll help you out. You know what I mean? Now, before I keep talking, man, pay attention to this, bro. Pay attention to this. Look at what I did, bro. Comment what mistake I made. I traded the LMG for this small SMG, I mean, because I didn't have any ammo. Little did I know there was going to be energy rounds right there. I could have kept that gun and I would have stayed alive. Now watch what happens, bro. This is an energy rifle which requires me to hold the trigger down and for it to charge up for me to shoot. So what I did is I kept looking. I was trying to find a better gun. I realized that it wasn't gonna work. You know what I mean? It wasn't gonna work. So I seen these people shooting. There's one person I see. I said, F it, I'm gonna throw this. Luckily, that landed on top of the bridge, you know what I mean? So I didn't waste my specialist, you know what I mean? That was risky. I aimed for it, but I didn't know if I was gonna make it for sure. Luckily, it did make it. I seen that dude up there. I hit him one time to force him to jump down, and then he got hit with my specialist. You know what I mean? Good thing about my specialist, if you don't have Apex Legends, download this game because you're going to need it for important other videos I'm going to be dropping that's going to help you out. You know what I mean? So I kept moving around the building. And then this is like, if you enjoy doing, like if you want to be me, like you see how I'm playing this game, I'm gonna have other videos where you can do literally what I'm doing and gain revenue. You know what I mean? But for the rest of the video, watch this, man. Look at that horrible aim, bro. Look at this. Had to redeem myself. Got some more hit markers. This gun has crazy recoil. You know what I mean? Crazy. So when he threw that smoke, I knew he was coming around the side. You know what I mean? I could just sense it. You know what I mean? So I saw my teammate going that way, so I figured if he's going this way, then I wouldn't have to worry about nobody else. The irony. Man. Smash the like button, though. Smash the like button. I risk my life trying to get y'all this game. But just watch a little bit more. Hopefully he picks up my armor. I had some gold armor. I don't know why he picked up my respawn beacon. Ah, yeah, he picked up my gold armor. But yeah, man. If you like this video, give it a like. I gave you free alternatives to playing games that you don't get paid for, and then now you can get paid for something that's free. That's how you become a champion. So never get discouraged, you know what I mean? I recommend that you make a YouTube channel. Recommend you make a YouTube channel as well. But I'm gonna come out with more videos soon, you dig? Y'all stay blessed, etc., etc. I'm back with a new video shortly.